friends, welcome to part 2 of the CSS animation tutorial. So on part 2 we are going to create a cool Mario Kart animation, and to do that we will learn the keyframes. So I have done a basic setup. What I have done, there is a Mario folder is there in which we have images of Cloud, Luigi and Mario. So see, the image is already there, so we are going to use it, and I have created index.html file, which is a simple index.html file which I have linked to our style.css, div of sky, grass, road and lines, and a blank style.css. So let us go ahead and start my live server. So my live server is getting started, and yeah, it is started. So it is opened in Safari. Let me do this time in Safari only. So what I want something like this setup, and let me bring it here. I want it a bit, this much is okay. Yeah, even it is not coming completely, and I don't want like it here. I like it this side, and this much is okay for me. Okay, so let's go ahead and write our CSS. So let first me go to my style.css, and here I will target the HTML. I think the font size is also less. Let me increase it. HTML and body height is 100%. Width is 100%. Overflow is hidden, and margin is 0. And now we will target the grass, sky and road. Grass, comma, dot sky, comma, dot road, and we will make it position relative so that we can add absolute inside it. So after that, dot sky, height is 40%, background ground is sky blue, so we have color sky blue. So the sky is been made. Now dot grass, height is 30%, background is sea green. See, that is also been made. And then let us make the road height is 30%, background is dim gray, box sizing is border box. Let me save this much. Yeah, it is showing now. Border top, only the top part we are giving 10px solid gray. So the top border is been given, border bottom, so it is started to look like a sky, then grass and a road. Border bottom 10px solid gray, and the bottom and the top both are being shown, and width of 100%. Okay, so inside the road there are lines. See, this is inside the road lines, so we are going to create the lines now. Lines, box sizing, border box, border is 5px dashed hash fff, height is 0px, width is 100%. So it is coming. Position is, we want to move it a bit down, so we are making it position is absolute, and top is 60%. See, and it moved to the between, so it is looking fine. So now what we need to do, we need to place Mario. So Mario will also be in the road. So where is the road? See, Mario will also be in the road, inside the road div. So let us have a image for Mario. As I have shown, we already have a Mario image, so we will place it there. Class equal to Mario, src equal to img mario.png, and see, our Mario have come. So let us go back to our style.css and let us move him a bit on the top. Means he is here, we want to move him somewhere like here. So for that, dot Mario position is absolute, top is -40px, and left is 0px. So he is not moving, no, he is moving, so he moved there. Okay, so what we are now going to do, we are going to use the keyframe. So keyframe, we declare a keyframe to drive animation, but for that we create a animation first, then we do it through keyframe. So let us create the animation, and that we have a property known as animation name. So this will be in the name. Let us name it drive. So we are going to write the keyframes for drive. So after that animation, you have to give the duration also. Duration, let it be for 3 sec. So like this we can give. So nothing will happen because we have to give the keyframes, and this thing we will use. So at keyframes drive, and we have to give a from from to 2 it will work on this, means from till 2. So let us see transform. So we are going to use the transform thing which we have learned in the first part. Transform, translate, translate x. So on the x-axis it will be at 0 first, from, and then to, transform, spelling is wrong, trans, transform, translate x to 1200 px. So from 0 it will start till 1200 px it will go. This means that, and it will take 3 seconds. Let me save it. So actually there was no issue, I just have to press the refresh. So if I'm pressing the refresh it is working. But see, there is one problem. When Mario is reaching at the end of 1200 pixel, he is coming back, so we don't want that. So what we can do, there is another property known as animation fill mode and forwards. So it means that when he reaches at the forward position he will stay there. So animation fill mode forward I have done. So see, let me do a refresh again. See, he reaches here and he stays there. So it means that. So now let us complete our animation for this part. So we can do a animation fill mode both, so that it extends in both the direction. So wherever he stays there. So we are going to have a cool animation with this. So both we will do animation iteration count will be infinite. So as it suggests, it will do infinite animation, means it will it will not stop, it will keep on repeating it. So let me do that. So see this, it comes there, goes back, comes there, goes back, but it is not seeing, it is not behaving naturally. So to appear it naturally, Mario should appear from outside the screen and go through this side. So he should come from here, where my mouse is, and he should go, and he should go outside the screen. So to achieve that, it is very easy. Instead of starting from 0 pixel, we'll make him start from minus 200 pixel, and this will be 1600 pixel, which is bigger than any desktop. See, he's going and he's going out, he's coming and he's going out. So this is the cool Mario animation. This completes part 2 of the series. Thank you.